The Galaxy Z Fold 5 has been widely awaited by Samsung fans and tech enthusiasts throughout the globe, and latest indications indicate that the wait may be ended sooner than expected. Although the flagship foldable phone was previously scheduled to arrive in August, fresh data indicates that it may happen sooner. Another foldable device to be released this year, Google's long-awaited Pixel Fold, was just shown by the company yesterday. The notion that Samsung would release the foldable phone earlier this year in order to compete with Google's product has lately gained some steam thanks to some official renderings of Samsung's own Galaxy Z Fold 5. These pictures show the phone from all sides. These renderings are the closest thing we'll likely get to seeing the Galaxy Z Fold 5 before Samsung makes a formal announcement, since they were created in partnership with SmartPre and exclusively from leaks. Aside from the possibility that someone obtains an early hands-on with the device, which is customary with newly unveiled Samsung devices, let's talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 5's design and everything else we can anticipate from it. According to long-running rumors, Samsung will this year improve the Galaxy Z Fold line's hinge, allowing the phone to fold entirely flat without a gap. This will shield the primary display surface from small particles like dust and dirt while the device is in your pocket. This will also help to lighten the device's overall weight, giving the impression that it is much slimmer. This is seen in this image pitting a Galaxy Z Fold 5 prototype versus a Galaxy Z Fold 4 prototype. The new hinge will also almost completely eliminate that annoying crease in the middle of the display, as can be seen from how much thinner and more attractive the new devices are. The overall thickness of the upcoming foldable device has decreased to 13.4 mm when folded, as opposed to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which measured between 14.2 mm and 15.8 mm due to the hinge gap. Samsung will implement the second-generation flexion hinge used by Oppo on the Discover N2 in place of the current droplet-style hinge design. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is intended to keep the same 7.6-inch inner screen and 6.2-inch exterior display. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor for the Galaxy is among the additional characteristics. It is anticipated to come with up to 12 GB of RAM and a terabyte of internal storage. The specifications for cameras are still somewhat lacking, but according to one source, a 50-megapixel primary sensor will be backed by a 12 and 10-megapixel unit. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.